Okay, here's a better demo of how to check a 100 kc crystal. I've got the crystal soldered back together. As you can see from the last video, I had it apart and I repaired the crystal element from one of the input poles, so that's been done. And I soldered it back together, wondering if it would still work, and it seems to work. It didn't change the frequency, and the frequency is still wrong, so here I can show the generator now, changing the frequency by a bit. You can see the resonance of the crystal is changing as I change the frequency up and down. And here I'll show you the frequency maybe. Do you want to read it while it's changing? If I can show that on the video. You can see the frequency in the upper pane, and the bottom you'll see the waveform a bit. So I don't think we're at 100 kc. I'm wondering if the capacitor in the circuit will skew this crystal to the correct frequency or not. I don't know. I don't know if this crystal was always like this, or I've ruined it somehow by trying to fix it. Anyway, it does look like it resonates now. I'm not sure if it will resonate in the crystal oscillator circuit in the calibrator board in the R4B, but I guess we're going to find that out soon, right? So, yep, here it is. Putting about 5 volts into it. How much am I getting out of this thing anyway at peak? Don't know. Right, well, thanks for watching. Again, here's the crystal. It's connected up in series with the generator. The red lead comes from this frequency generator, and the black lead is the scope probe going into the scope. That's about it. Okay, the next step is putting it back into the calibrator board. See if it works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.